Welcome to everyone. The previous part we are knowing about primary objective. In this part we are known about or discussed about secondary objective. The secondary objectives are broadly classified into two. An auditor has to examine the books of accounts and relevant supporting document. During the process, certain errors and frauds may be discovered. This can be discussed under two heads: detection and prevention of errors and mistake. The second one is detection and prevention of frauds. Secondary objectives broadly classified into two types. The first one is detection and prevention of errors and mistake. The second one is detection and prevention of frauds. Now we are discussed about the only first secondary objective, detection and prevention of errors and mistake. Come to all of you. We are known about detection and prevention of errors. This errors classified into four types. The detection and prevention of errors classified into four types. The first one is clerical error. The second one is error of duplication. The third one is error of compensation. The fourth one is error of principle. The first one is clerical error. The clerical error arised by the clerical staff. Clerical error arised because of mistakes committed by the clerical staff in the ordinary course of accounting work. These are five types. First, the clerical error classified into one, two, three types. First one is error of omission. When a transaction is not recorded or partially recorded in the books of account, known as error of omission. This error of omission is under classified into two: partial omission and complete omission. For example, goods purchased on credit from Mr. X, rupees 20,500, not recorded in purchase book. This is a complete omission. Next, partial omission. Credit purchase from Mr. C from rupees 45,000 is entered in the purchase book but not posted in Mr. C's account. It is a partial omission. Next type is error of commission. This error of commission arises in the following ways: error of recording or error of posting, and error of casting or error of carry forward. What is error of recording? The error arises when any transaction is incorrectly recorded in the books of original entry. It is called error of recording. The next one is error of posting. The error arises when a transaction is correctly journalized but wrongly posted in ledger account. The third one is error of casting or error of carry forward. The error arises when mistake is committed in carrying forward a total of one page on the next page. This error affects the trial balance. The second type of secondary object is error of duplication. Error of duplication arises when an entire book of original entry has been made twice and has also been posted twice. These errors do not affect the agreement of trial balance, hence it can't locate easily. The next type of error of compensation or error of compensating errors. When one error on debit side is compensated by another entry on credit side to the same extent is called compensating error. There are also called offsetting errors. The fourth type of error is error of principle. An error of principle occurs when the generally accepted principles of accounting are not followed while recording the transactions in the books of accounts. These errors may be due to lack of knowledge on accounting principle and concept. Error of principles do not affect the trial balance, and hence it is very difficult for an auditor to locate such type of error. These are the errors. uh, when the auditor can find the error and we clear all the provisions of auditing. These only the part of secondary objective. The first session detection prevention of errors. I know all are clear about the detection prevention of error. Thank you all.